Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to share one of the investment options that I'm using. Now, today's lesson is not a usual lesson. I usually don't share these things, but this is something relevant to cryptocurrency world and to Coinbase. And to those of you who doesn't know Coinbase, it's a very well-known cryptocurrency wallet and platform system. It gives you addresses where you can store your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, in addition to investment options. So today's lesson will be on how to invest cryptocurrencies with AI trading systems using Coinbase Wallet. Now, what we are going to talk about today is an AI intelligent trading system jointly launched by the ACL and Coinbase. And since Coinbase name is here, it means that this is legit and you don't need to look online for reviews about it. They are co-branding with Coinbase to list more platforms for other investment options, and this is a trading system that uses artificial intelligence, so you don't have to do anything. Just deposit the money, choose the plan, and see the profit comes in. It has different percentage system depending on how many days you will leave the money there for the AI system to trade. It's just like banks when you are depositing a huge amount of money and leave it, and the bank will give you profit on this amount of money. The AI intelligent platform uses AI to study the market and to make small trades that will help you get profit, and they will share the profit with you. The plans are really, logical when it comes to the profit offered. And in this lesson, I will show you in a step-by-step manner how to sign up and how to do everything on the Coinbase wallet. Now, just to make sure that everything is said before we get started, there are two main conditions, or let's say three main conditions for you to use this investment option. The first one is that you need the Coinbase wallet app on your phone. The second condition is that you need to have at least $100 USDT. So you must have at least $100 USDT, which is the minimum amount required for investment. And there are processing fees, which are usually Ethereum fees. It depends on the network. Sometimes they are $10, sometimes they are $20, and they are only paid once. So the total investment at the first time would be $120, and all of this will be loaded into your Coinbase wallet account. They won't take your money. They just ask you to place it on the Coinbase wallet so that you can use it. And under this video, you will see a link that you need to copy after following my steps. I will share now my phone screen to show you the exact step-by-step that you need to follow in order to start investing on Coinbase Wallet. Now, let's start. The first thing that you need to do here is to go to App Store. And on the App Store, you need to sign in to the wallet app. Now, if you wrote wallet and press the search button, you will see a lot of options. And as you can see, Coinbase Wallet is the second option. Coinbase Wallet, and it has already more than 113,000 rating, which is about 4.6. And as you can see, I already downloaded the app. So you just need to make sure that you have the app. Now you can see that the app size is around 60 megabytes, and it has a lot of reviews that you can see for yourself. And it's a legit app since it's on the App Store as well. Now, after doing that, click open once you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed, and you will see your wallet. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to buy, and you need to buy two things. You need to buy USDT, which is basically the cryptocurrency dollar, we call it. And you also need to buy Ethereum. So I will share my screen Okay, now you just need to subscribe, but let me do this again. I already bought them. Now, if your country is not supported to buy, you can simply receive. Click the receive button, and you can share your Ethereum address with anyone to receive money, or you can simply share any other Ethereum Classic, which is the USDT, or any other cryptocurrency. Now, the main point here is that you need Tether USD around $100, and you need Ethereum around $20. You need to make sure that you have these before moving forward. But you can have them by simply receiving money from your own wallet on another platform, or by buying Ethereum and Tether USD from anyone. Now, if you want my advice regarding buying or where to buy, you can contact me using my WhatsApp under this video for any further questions or queries. Now, once you have Ethereum, and once you have Ethereum and Tether USD, the next step here is to move forward to the browser. And in this browser area, you need to paste the link that you'll find on the video description here on the search or type URL up above. Click on the search or type URL, paste the URL, and hit go. Now, once you hit go, or once you move forward, you will be redirected to this page. Now, this page is basically the platform or the investment platform page that is cooperating with Coinbase Wallet. And in order to make sure that everything is set, first you need to click the subscription. Now, as you can see, it will ask you what is the subscription amount that you want to enter, and here you can enter, let's say, $100. But for us, the first step that we need to do is to click on the pledge. Now, click on the pledge here, and as you can see, you need to enter the amount of USDT to pledge. As you can see, we have max, which is the maximum amount that I have. I have around $101.4. Now, I already invested $100 to make sure that this actually works, and I earned $1.4. Okay, so I have around $101.4. Now, underneath here, you need to choose the investment option, and we have 3 days, 60 days, 90 days, or 120 days. Now, depending on the option that you will choose, the amount of profit will be different. Now, let me list the amount of profit that you will get for each currency. Again, it will be different from one currency to another, and I will add a link to the table where you can see for yourself different options. So let's take a quick look. Now, if you selected 3 days, this means that you are investing this money for 3 days, and you will not be able to withdraw the $101 for 3 days, but you can withdraw the earnings. Now, the first step here is to make sure that you understand what's happening. If you selected any of these investment options, so 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, as you are increasing the period, you are increasing the profit. So here, let's talk about the time. Now, for 3 days, you will earn 0.2 to 0.4% daily. So in 3 days, you will earn around 1.2%. So for $100, you will earn $1.2. Now, imagine how much you will earn for $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000. Now, for 60 days, you will earn between 0.6 and 1% daily. We are talking about daily here. Now, when I say daily, it means that we are earning a huge amount of money every day. So for $100, you will earn around $1 every day for 60 days. So after 60 days, you will be earning $60 for your $100, and you will be able to withdraw the profit any day. But the initial investment will only be allowed. You will only be allowed to withdraw it after the 60 days pass. Now, if you choose 90 days, you can go up to 1.2%. If you choose 120 days, you can go up to 1.4%. Now, between 1 and 1.4%. And this is not just it. I will select 60 days for now, and I will select the max, which is $101.4. You just need to click on pledge at this point. And once you click on the pledge, success. Now, I don't have any credit on my account, and if you went back to our profile, you will see that I have 0 USDT because I invested everything on this platform. Now, in order to load the money to this platform, you need to click the subscription as we mentioned already. And if you have $100, you can enter $100 and you can click subscription. Now, as you can see, insufficient wallet balance. It means that I don't have $100 on my wallet. Now, if you went back to our wallet, you will see that I have $2 and try to add the $2 to your money or your platform to invest. Once you click subscription, the purchase amount cannot be less than $100. It means that you cannot add to your subscription less than $100. That's why I mentioned at the beginning that you need $100 initial investment. So at this point, you will click the first step after opening the app is copying the link on the video description, placing it on the browser window here. You will be redirected to this window. And you need to make sure that you have $100 USDT. You will click subscription, and in here you will enter the amount, which is $100, and you will click subscription. Now, if everything went okay, then you can go, which is the second step. You can go from the account tab to the pledge tab, and in here press the max, which will be $100. Then choose the pledge duration: 3 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. Now, I already invested $100 and I'm planning to add $1,000 in the coming few days because this is one of the, let's say, secure investment options, and they have been working for 2 years now. And since it's inside Coinbase Wallet, which is a well-known platform, and they are cooperating with this AI trading system, I'm confident that this is something you can invest in without worrying that you will lose your money. Again, these are the steps. If you faced any problem subscribing, getting the money on your wallet, or applying the steps that I mentioned, you can always contact me on my WhatsApp on the link on the description of this video. I have my WhatsApp number. Again, let's explain how you will collect your income, the money that you are getting. You will go to the income area. Here you will see treasure box. And I already have, as you can see, 0.02, 0.01, and these are my earnings. You can click on them one by one to collect them, or you can click on the one-click collection. Once you click on the one-click collection, you will collect the money, and click on the treasure box. You will see your earning total revenue up above. So my total revenue is 1.4. Now, as you can see, we already invested and we have to wait. And now, every 6 hours, we will get more money on our income tab. And you can withdraw the earnings anytime you want. And this is a very important point to mention. That's it. If you have any questions, any concerns, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf from Moneymakers Academy.